Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the next video of our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are discussing this problem which came on 9th of February. So the problem is largest divisible subset. So they have given a set of distinct positive integers, nums, and we need to return the largest subset answer such that every pair answer I and answer j of elements in this subset satisfies answer I modulo answer j equals to 0 or answer j modulo answer I equals to 0. So if there are multiple solutions, we will return any of them. So here nums, it is 1, 2, 3. Output is 1, 2 because 1 and 3 is also accepted. So here they have given a set of distinct positive integers and we need to return the largest subset answer such that every pair answer I and answer j of elements in this subset satisfies this condition, which is answer of I modulo answers of j equals to 0 or answer of j modulo answer of I equals to 0. So 1, 2 is the pair which satisfies this condition in the 1, 2, 3. So we will return that. And here 1, 2, 4, 8, it is satisfying, so we will return 1, 2, 4, 8. So how to solve this type of problem? Let's discuss what is the approach here. So first of all, we will sort the input array nums. After that, we will initialize a dynamic programming array dp of size n. Because it is a dynamic programming solution, we will create a dynamic array of size n where dp of I represents the size of the largest divisible subset ending at I. So our dp of current I we will represent the size of the largest divisible subset ending at index I, and we will iterate each pair of elements nums of I and nums of j where our j and I should be greater than equal to 0 and I greater than j. And if nums of I is divisible by nums of j, we will update dp of I to be the maximum between its current value and dp of j plus 1. So after that, we will keep track of the maximum value of maxi in dp. We will also track the maximum value here, and we will traverse dp from end to start. So for each index I, if dp of I equals maxi and the current number nums of I is divisible by the previous selected number num, we will add nums of I to the result vector v and decrement maxi, and at last we will return the result vector v. Last we will return the result vector v, which will be the output. So let's code for this solution. Before that, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So first of all, we will store size of nums in n nums dot size. Then we will create a maxi variable and assign it 1, and a num variable which we will assign -1. Then we will create a vector of int v. Then we will sort nums or dot begin nums dot end. We will sort the nums array first, and then we will initialize our dp vector of size n and 1. 1 is the value of each element. So now we will iterate through this vector int I equals to 1, I less than n, and I plus plus. And again we will use a nested for loop for iterating from j equals to 0, j less than I, and j plus plus. Here we will check a condition that if nums of I and modulo nums of j is not present, means it is false, and dp of I less than dp of j plus 1. We will check these two conditions. If these two conditions satisfied, then we will proceed further with dp of I equals to dp of j plus 1, and if maxi is less than dp of I, then we will update the maxi as dp of I. And after this for loop, we will again initialize a for. We will again implement a for loop, which we will start from n minus 1 and up to 0 I minus minus. We will decrement I. Then we will check for the solution. If we will check some conditions here. If maxi is equals to dp of I and num equals to minus 1, or not of num modulo nums of I, like this, nums of I. So these are the two conditions. If we will check maxi equals to dp of I and nums equals to minus 1, or nums modulo nums of I, which is it is not true. If this conditions satisfies, then we will push back nums of I and we will decrement maxi. After that we will update nums equals to nums of I, and at last we will return v. V is the final solution. So let's check for the solution. Yeah, the solution ran successfully. Check for the hidden test cases. Hidden test cases also. So overall the solution is right. So here, talking about the time complexity, we are sorting array. For that the time complexity will be big of n log n, and we are using this nested for loops for inside for loop. So for this it will be big of n square. So overall time complexity will be big O of n square plus log n, which we will get as big O of n square, which we can take it as a big O of n square, and the space complexity will be big O of n, because we are creating these vectors, a vector of size n. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and exciting one-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.